Yeah. It's Mother's Day.
Your day. Go ahead and sound.
I'm about to beat this nigga's ass like he stole something. Come here, I think he stole something. Burn his pockets, bitch, nigga, give it up. He about to get fucked up. We about to take your fucking life, nigga. Or stab you with this fucking knife, nigga. We about to take your fucking blunt. Oh, you thought you was a pussy nigga. Get fucked, pussy nigga. Pussy nigga. Get fucked, pussy nigga. This nigga wet like a pussy. This nigga bleed like a pussy. So I'ma cut him early, then the 30 days. About to take this nigga out his way. This nigga pussy. This nigga pussy. He bleed more than once a month. This nigga is stunk. Won't nobody touch that pussy. Cause he on fire. Psych. His name LeBron. He from the mount. He ain't about that life. He from the south. Pussy. Pussy. With a lighter. Pussy. I made a song about pussy. But his name is LeBron. He like wet pussy. I thought he was a Bob. Pussy. This nigga smell like pussy. Big bag of condoms, about to burn them out. Fuck this bitch nigga, that's what he bout. Pussy. He from the mount.
Okay. Okay.